Hey guys, the car is here. We got it dropped off here at Walmart, so I'm just gonna go pick it up now. I think that guy right up here is probably the guy I'm going to talk to. Here it is. Alright guys, we just drove down to Desert Wraps. We're gonna go get about a quote on wrapping the Rally Fighter. I got a really cool plan for it, so hopefully these guys can do something and we'll make it awesome. So far, I'm liking the Rally Fighter, but it's definitely not a town car. Like here in Palm Desert, there's a lot of places you're supposed to do like U-turns. It does not do U-turns. I made the mistake of parking like way up the road, so now I've got to go get the Rally Fighter to bring back down. Like I said about the whole doesn't do U-turns thing, I think it probably would take a full 4 lanes to get this thing to turn around on itself. It definitely doesn't turn on a dime on the road. Luckily out in the dirt though, you can just give it gas and whip it around. I've only been stopped with it a couple times where there were people around, but every time I've been stopped and there's people around, everyone's like, oh my god, what is that thing? Like, people seem to love it. I know I do. That startup just sounds good. Now, if you guys want to see another one of the little kind of drawbacks to the Rally Fighter, this is the view I have, which is probably more like this over here. But this A-pillar is pretty much in the road, and you're at my eye level, so you can see how far the hood kind of is just in the road. But none of these drawbacks so far are stopping me from thinking this thing is just, you know, awesome.
And why I don't have one in my garage?
That is what I don't know why everyone doesn't have one. I get that a lot. Okay, so we just got done here at Desert Wraps. They measured up the vehicle and everything, and it's time for us to go ahead and head on out. First I gotta get my shit ready. Setting up the cameras and everything. Now I can't believe I forgot the memory card to my main camera. Hey guys, we're getting ready to go pick up Kayla from work. She hasn't got to see this yet, so I'm sure she'll be excited. Hey guys, we're coming back to the camper here. I think Kayla likes it so far. She said she was gonna fall asleep in the seat. But we're gonna go back. I'm gonna grab memory card for my other camera. We're gonna get something to drink real quick and whatnot, and then we're gonna actually start heading back up to King of the Hammers. We decided we're not going up to King of the Hammers tonight. Me and Kayla have both gotten sick again. Last night, I don't think either of us probably even ended up sleeping for 2 hours. And so, as the night goes on, we're just not feeling it. I think we're just gonna go out to eat and then come back and lay around the camper and be lazy.